In this walkthrough, we're going to build a simple weekly planner app in Glide from scratch. By the end, you'll have a clean list where you can add tasks, note the day and time, and mark them as done, all from a polished interface you can share with a link. I'll move steadily and explain why each click matters, so you can follow along confidently and make this your own. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Glide website. Log into your account so you can access the builder. Once you're in, look for the Apps area and open it. Here's where we'll create our project. Click New App, choose the blank option, and then create the app. Beginning with a blank canvas keeps things tidy and makes it easy to understand exactly what's in your project. Let's prepare the data first. Click Data in the top navigation inside Glide. This is the spreadsheet-like view where your app's information lives. At the top left, click the plus icon to add a new table, and choose Blank Table. You'll see a default table name appear. Click that name and rename it to Weekly Planner. Then press Enter to confirm. Clear names like this help keep your project organized, especially as it grows. Now we'll add the columns your planner needs. On the right side of the table, click the plus button next to the columns. We'll set up 4 columns to capture everything you need. First, create a column named Task and make its type text. This will hold the name of each task, like exercise or meeting. Next, add a column named Day, also set to text. We're keeping it as text for flexibility, so you can write Monday, Tuesday, or any label you prefer. Add a third column named Time and set its type to date and time. That lets you record a specific time or date for each task. Finally, add a column named Done and set its type to Boolean. A Boolean is a true or false switch, perfect for a checkbox to mark tasks complete. Before building the interface, add a couple of sample tasks so you can see how everything looks. In the task column, type exercise, and in the day column for that same row, type Monday. Add another row with meeting as the task and Tuesday as the day. You can leave time and done blank for now. We'll interact with them through the layout shortly. Having sample data makes it easier to preview and fine-tune your design. Now, switch to the visual side of the app. Click Layout on the left sidebar. You'll see the app's screens and components. On the side of the navigation, click the plus icon to add a new screen. Choose Screen from Data and select the Weekly Planner table you just created. This connects the screen to your data, so it automatically shows your tasks. With the screen in place, click the List component that appears. The list is ideal for browsing multiple entries at a glance. On the right panel, set Source to your Weekly Planner table if it's not already selected. Then map the title field to Task, so the task name appears prominently in the list. Map the description field to Day, so you can see which day each task is planned for. You'll instantly see your sample items displayed, which is a nice confirmation that everything is wired up correctly. Let's make adding new tasks easy. Click Add Component, choose Button, and rename it to Add Task. Clear button labels reduce confusion and help users know exactly what to do. Click the button to open its settings on the right panel. For Action, choose Show Form Screen. This sets up a form connected to your table, so when someone taps Add Task, they'll be able to submit a new row with fields tied to task, day, time, and done. You don't need to configure anything else right now. Glide will automatically match the form fields to your columns, which keeps things simple and consistent. Next, we'll make it possible to mark tasks complete right from the list. Click the task list to highlight it, then click Add Component again and select Checkbox. In the settings, set the value to Done. This links the checkbox directly to the Done column in your data. Checking it will mark the corresponding row as complete, and unchecking it will revert it. It's a small touch that adds a lot of usability. letting you update your progress without leaving the main screen. If you notice the checkbox style or placement needs adjustment, you can fine-tune it later to fit your layout. With your data, list, button, and checkbox all in place, it's time to make the app available. Go to the top right corner and click Publish. Glide may prompt you to confirm details. Click Publish again to finalize. Once it's live, copy the app link. You can open it on your phone, share it with collaborators, or keep it for personal use. Because it's connected to your table, any updates you make in the app will appear instantly in your data and vice versa, making it a reliable single source of truth for your weekly planning. You now have a functional weekly planner that shows tasks in a list, displays the day, lets you add new items through a form, and gives you a quick checkbox to mark them as done. From here, you can personalize it further by adjusting styles, refining titles and descriptions, or later choosing to display the time alongside the day. But even as is, this setup is clean, fast, and ready to use. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video, and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.